was that? Whoa, Paw Patrol, where did you come from? We're just our super pups and we've been flying around all day. All day? Yeah, all day long. That sounds so fun. Yeah, but now we're hungry, so could you make us some stuff in the microwave? We're really hungry. Yeah, we can make you something in the little microwave. But you know it's a magic microwave, right? Right, we love the magic microwave. Okay. So let's go ahead and make you some food. Let's open this up. And I brought with me some special stuff. They're gumballs. And look, they match all of your colors. So let's get these gumballs and get you some food out of it. So first, let's take a green gumball. And then let's do a pizza. Oh my goodness. Look what the green gumball turned into. It's a green cupcake. Just for you, Rocky. There you go. Okay, let's make everyone else's cupcakes. Let's do a yellow gumball next. Ooh, that smells so good. We got a yellow cupcake for Rubble. Okay, next up, pink. Oh, yummy. We got a pink cupcake, Skye. Oh, yummy. It's a pink one just for Skye. Oh, those look so good. Okay, let's do Zuma's next. It's orange. Oh my goodness, look. We got an orange cupcake for Zuma. Wow, look at all those colorful cupcakes. Oh, they look delicious. Let's keep going. We'll do Chase next with the blue gumball. Oh yes, we got a blue cupcake for Chase. Now we have one more gumball, so let's do it for Marshall. And it's red. Look, we got a red cupcake for Marshall. Yummy, you guys. Go ahead and eat some of your cupcake. Those were some yummy cupcakes, huh? Oh yeah, they were. And they're magic too. Want me to show you some more magic? Yes, please. All right, I'll show you some more magic. Check this out. Come here, Rebel. Okay, you guys are going to be in the microwave, and then let's see what happens. Magical microwave. Oh my goodness, look what Rubble turned into. He's a cowboy. Oh my goodness, look. Oh my goodness. He's an awesome cowboy. He's ready to go. Wow, look how cool he is. Mimi, I want to go next. Okay, let's do Rocky next. Here you go, Rocky. Oh my goodness, it worked for Rocky too. He's a cowboy now. He has a green bandana on. Watch this. Oh, he's ready. Let's push Rubbles again. Boom. Oh my goodness, look at our cowboys. All right, Zuma, let's do you next. Oh my, look, it keeps working. We keep getting cowboy pups. And watch him. Oh my goodness, these cowboy pups are awesome. All right, Skye, it's your turn. I hope you turn into a cow girl. Oh, look, we totally got cowgirl Skye. Look at her cute pink bandana. And watch this. Oh my goodness, these Paw Patrols as cowgirls and cowboys are so cool. Okay, Marshall, let's do you now. Look at this cowboy, Marshall. Oh my goodness. Look how cool. He has his water blaster. Oh, Marshall, you're an awesome cowboy. Okay, Chase, you're the last one to become a cowboy. Chase, look, you're a cowboy too now. And check it. Boom, blasters. Look at all of our cowboys and cowgirls. Oh my goodness. Okay, well, say bye.
Bye-bye.
Look at all of that water we're gonna be able to play in. Woo! Stuffy, Lammy, Doc McStuffins, and Squeakers. Squeakers is a plastic squeaky fish, a few words. But let's Doc know when something's amiss. Doc McStuffins is a 6-year-old girl who magically brings her toy friends to life and takes care of their boo-boos out of her backyard clinic. Lammy is Doc's best friend and loves to give cuddles and hugs. Stuffy is a proud and brave stuffed dragon who is a bit clumsy too. Look who we all have with Doc McStuffins. Aren't they so cute? Huh, Doc McStuffins? Yes, they're all so cute and I love them. Oh, good. Stuffy, Lammy, Doc McStuffins, and Squeakers. Well, what do you guys want to do today? Squeak, 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 squeak. What about you, Stuffy? I want to go swimming. Okay. Yeah, let's go to the pool. Okay, pool sounds awesome. Let's go. Yay, we're at the pool. Yeah, but it looks empty. We're gonna need to find some water to put in it. Where can we find water? Squeak, 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 squeak. Let's Let me go see. Let me go try to find some. Whoa, where's that water coming from? I found some water and just turned it on. We need a little more. Not quite enough. Look at all of that water we're gonna be able to play in. Woo! Oh my gosh, it's so full. Is that enough water, you guys, or do you want more? That's plenty of water, Doc. Okay, let's go swimming. Let's go down the slide. There you go, Doc. Okay, Squeakers, your turn. Oh, nice belly roll. Oh, that was just a little somersault, Stuffy. Oh, good slide, Lammy. You guys just want to float around for a little bit? Yeah, this is super relaxing. Yeah, but watch this. I can squirt stuff out of my belly button. Woo, I'm getting you, Stuffy. Oh, Stuffy, what are you gonna do? Get her back. Check this out. I'm getting Doc too. And Squeaky. Gotta fill up with some more water. All of these toys are super funny. They all can squirt water. Stuffy squirts it out of his mouth. Silly Stuffy. How about Doc? Where are you gonna squirt it out from? Let's fill her up to find out. She's filling up with water. Okay. Ooh, where's that coming? It's coming out of her stethoscope. That one's really funny. I think it's funny that it comes out of her stethoscope. Whoa, whoa, it's getting everywhere. Whoa, whoa. Okay, Squeaky, your turn. I think it's gonna come out of Squeaky's mouth. Watch it. Whoa! Squeaky's the best. It comes right out of Squeaky's mouth. Woo! Okay, I think we need to get some soap and paint up in here. Okay, we can do that. I brought some Paw Patrol bath paint. Woo! Over everyone, and let's put it up the slide. Here's my brush. We want to mix in all of this paint to make it all bubbly. Get it all off the slide. Woo! Look at all those bubbles we're making. Oh, we're splashing everywhere. We're changing the color of the water too. Okay, let's give everyone a little scrubby. Okay, Lammy, gotta get all of this red bath stuff off of you. Look how soapy you already got. Even your bubbles, even your water coming out was so soapy. Get it all out. Her hole's really small. Okay. Now it's for Stuffy. Fluffy Stuffy. You still had a lot of water in you too. There we go. There's Stuffy. Oh, look, we really got a clean Squeaky. There, Squeaky's all clean. Just gotta get all the water out of him. There we go. We got all the water out of Squeaky. Okay, Doc. I think you're the dirtiest one. We need to clean you all up. Wow, you got it everywhere, Doc. There we go. You're almost all the way clean. Here, let's have Squeaky help rinse you off. With some of the pink water. There we go, rinsing you off all good. Okay, let's get all the water out of Doc. There we go. Did you guys have a fun day at the pool? Oh yeah, that was so fun. Glad we found some water, guys. Woohoo! Okay, say bye, Doc McStuffins.